car wash for $5. Okay.
Because you look like a dirty boy.
So you sit right here,
Okay,
and
cool.
we're gonna go take your top off. So be right back.
Great. How you doing, sir? Real nice you brought this car in for us. Yeah, we're trying to make a little money.
To the rear and take a ride.
Bye, guys. I get a cute one.
Oh, how dare you? You're the cute one.
And we're gonna come back with thongs on.
Exactly.
Just for you guys. Do they have thongs or not?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Hey, where'd they go? Is that good for you?